is Morten Nilsson and I'm a CEO at O2O Wind. We have wind asset owners from all around the world to collaborate within operations and maintenance of wind farms. To better explain our proposition for you, I'd like to bring in Sverre Trollnes, who is head of operations at Statoil. And to bring in Sverre into the story, I need to go 6 or 7 years back in time. In between 2009 and 2014, I was managing a training company within wind farm operations. We had clients from 32 countries and 6 continents, and to secure that we understood the needs of our target group, we arranged for a smaller group of 6 persons representing 6 companies to come together and discuss challenges within operations and maintenance. Sverre was one of the persons in this group, and with the experiences from this group, in May 2013, me and Sverre had a 2-hour phone call in which we discussed what about taking this smaller group of 6 owners and turn it into something much, much bigger, so that we will have a much higher number of competent brains within wind farm operations, and also so that each member of that group would have a much higher hit rate of finding the experience that this person would need in order to develop his or her project. Statoil took it directly. They come on as our first founding partner, and then we went out to meet other wind turbine owners. We had Skellefteå Kraft, who came on board. We had Vattenfall. In Germany, we had RWE Energy. Then we had EDF, Luminous. And in Spain, we had Gas Natural Fenosa and Acciona Energía. These are the 7 wind asset owners who came together as the founding partners of O2O Wind. We launched the platform on the 21st of October 2014 at the head office of Acciona Energía in Madrid, and have been in operations since. Now we carried on and met with more wind turbine owners, and we had quite a big interest from the European ones. We went over to the United States and got more clients, and then in Australia and in New Zealand, even more clients. What you see in front of you now is the current status of O2O Wind. So 6 out of the top 10 biggest wind energy producers in the world are members at O2O Wind. Our members represent 18% of the global output from wind, which means that our members own among themselves 18% of all the wind turbines in the world. So we are gathering wind asset owners from 19 countries and 4 continents on a digital platform designed for collaboration and tailor-made for wind farm operations, accessible from PC, tablet or smartphone. And the best thing with all this, which we like the most, is that so far no member has left us. You sign on for 1 year and then you make the decision, should I stay on or should I leave? So far, all of them have decided to stay with us. Our founding partners has just renewed their membership for their 3rd year. So, this is not unique. What I'm explaining now is not new, not whatsoever. One of our moderators at O2O Wind, which means a person who is there to create interactivity among our members, etc., etc., he has been a member of another wind turbine owner forum for the last 22 years. I have been traveling to 14 countries, and I have never met an owner who is not in one way or another collaborating with other owners. It could be the closest neighbors, it could be owners within a region. What we have done, we have taken it to a new level and have become the only global alternative. So let us have a look at the actual platform. This is how it looks when you've logged in, and we will go through what you find here on the left, especially people, discussions and wikis. When you bring yourself and your colleagues on board, each and one of you will create your own individual account, and we will guide you in a half-an-hour meeting for how to do this. I'll just show you quickly, specifically the ones that are tailor-made for wind. The first ones here are just like name and company, etc. So which turbine models do you have experience from? You click this drop down here, and then all the wind turbine makes in the world will appear. And maybe you have some Vestas, and then you click that, and then all the Vestas models that are found in operations worldwide will appear. And then maybe you have experience from that one, and then you have some experience from Siemens, then Siemens will appear above, and then maybe it's that one, and that's building up then. Second question is which operational conditions do you have experience from? And then this divided in offshore and onshore. And you click the ones that is in line with your experience, you click save. Second one here is competences. First one is on component level, 25 different components, and then it's various skills within operations and maintenance, and maybe 45 of these, and you click save. And then you have built your individual profile. What you can do then is that you can go to people and you can search among the members. Maybe you are curious on a specific turbine model to find other members who have direct experience from that one, and then you can go to machine and go through the same drop down as seen before. But now let's go to discussions, which is the heart of O2O Wind. It's a simple Q&A. If you have a specific issue and you believe that there should be some other owners who have experienced this, you give your challenge a subject, you write some text in more detail. When you click post here, your challenge will arrive in the mobile telephone of more than 200 wind turbine owner employees in 20 countries on 5 different continents. So let's have a little look on how the different discussions that we currently have. You see some text are blurred for good reasons, but you can see here that the latest one to arrive is Fürländer F2500 supply chain. Next one is about power curve deviation. This is about our webinars. Then blade inspection, blade repair, self-service, Enercon, Deutsche Windtechnik, AB, etc. And this is just how it carries on. And it goes through and through like this. And let's click into one. Now you're going to have a lot of blurred text, but I just want to explain. Some people from Belgium, they posting something about jaw misalignment. And then there is people from Denmark coming in, people from Norway, Denmark, Ireland, Belgium, Spain, Belgium, Spain again, Belgium, France, Sweden, Belgium, France, etc. So that's an example for how a discussion can develop, and we go into wikis, which is our different common checklists. First one is about wind park takeover checklist, then there is some others here. The last one is about end of warranty, and it just goes through everything you should cover in an end of warranty, and this is a long list that you can help us to develop or use when you're going to do an end of warranty. So that's about it. That is more or less how you use O2O Wind to improve your wind farm operations. Thanks a lot. Take care.